This is a tutorial for your Gemini, which is also known as an inside leg hook. So we will take it from a standing position first, and if you feel like you can't get your leg high enough, then you might want to take it through a side climb, which will create a little bit more space for your head to drop. So you'll see what I mean when we come into it. So I'm going to hook my inside leg first. Inside hand is just next to your shoulder there, so you've got the space to lean away. You don't want to start too high because that prevents you from getting the leg a little bit higher. So there, lean away, inside leg on, outside hand just beneath the knee that's hooked onto the pole. I come round, and then from there I'm just going to hook that leg over, and then you will already be familiar with this position from learning your arrow. From there I'm just going to release the top hand and come down. So that top leg's hooked, and then what I want to do is try and find the armpit with that bottom arm, and then once I've found that, I release the leg, hand off, and then hands back on to step out. Okay, that's the safest way to learn this move. If you've not done it before, it can be very pinchy on the knee, and I want you to just be as safe as possible. So if you've got a mat to work with, that's also a good thing. Okay, so but sexy way of getting up. The key thing that you want to think about is getting the grip in the back of that armpit, and also position the pole above the hip bone, okay, or inside the hip bone. So if you just try that position now, standing up, there's like, you've got those grip points, so 1, 2, and obviously you'd have the leg on, which is 3. So we're going to try the other side now, but we're going to try it from a side climb. If you're not ready for that and you did it fine on the other side just from the floor, stay with that variation for now. So we're going to go from there, just a small side climb. So legs on, little pull, hand, leg. As I said before, the outside hand comes underneath the top leg. Release the bottom leg round, hook, and then it's exactly the same process. So I'm going to release the top hand, find the pole at the back of the armpit, there, the pole's inside the hip bone, and then I release to drop. And you can grab hold of that back foot if you want. Hands back on, release. So you shouldn't be going any further from that move until you've got it exactly the way I've just done it. So you need to know that you can get in it from standing, from a side climb, just release out. And then think about other ways in and out once you feel solid in that leg. So go play with this move.